In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download Minecraft on your iPhone. This also works for other iOS devices as well. So there's a lot of reasons you'd want to download Minecraft. It's a really fun game. Maybe you want to play it with your friends, or you just want to have a game to play on your phone. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is head over to the App Store. So go ahead and do that real quick. You'll be brought to the home page right here. Now, from the search page here, what you're going to want to do is go to the search bar and type in Minecraft. So once you search for Minecraft, it's going to bring up Minecraft right here. And as you can see, I've already bought it before, but it's going to cost $6.99. So once you're on this page here, you're going to just want to click on the $6.99 button and go ahead and buy it. And then once you buy it, you can download it. Alright, so it's going to be like any other app. After you buy it, it's going to automatically start downloading. And then it's 1 gigabyte, so it might take a bit of time. But after it's done downloading, you'll be able to play it on your iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you have in the comments section.